This is about Security National Life Home Service Company. And oftentimes in life, we are faced where a decision closes the door on one chapter of our life. What we're going to talk about today is Security National offering another opportunity for you to proceed even further. Why Security National? Well, we're a proven company started way back in 1965 with a proven and consistent presence in the home service market since 2002. In 2025, we produced 98% more annualized premium than 2014 and did 21% more applications than we did in 2014. Why is that important? Well, a lot of home service companies have gone the way of the dodo or the dinosaur. They've decided to go for greener pastures elsewhere in the search of something new. But here at Security National Life, we're still entrenched and committed, and most importantly, growing in this all important market we call home service. We have two home offices, one located in Flowood, Mississippi, and one located in Shreveport, Louisiana. Home Service 101 is face-to-face relationships matter as much as people like to do things through job insurance, as much as statistics say that some people like to do things online or through the mail. People still like to talk to someone one-on-one, kneecap to kneecap, in face-to-face relationships. And here we serve families and we build relationships that last. So if you are currently in a dead end job. Maybe your job is providing you with nothing but a layoff or pink slip, or you're with a home service company that's kind of veering the way, as I mentioned earlier. You don't have to start over. You can build forward by producing immediately. The great thing about us and the opportunity we present here at Security National is the fact that you can go as fast or as slow as you want to go and to move your income in the direction that you want to see it go, which for most people is generally up, right? There's an unlimited opportunity. The commissions department is the only department with this company that has an unlimited budget, meaning that you go out there and write it, and the contract's going to pay you what the contract's supposed to pay you. There's no income caps. Renewals can create a long-term income. Why is that important? You're getting paid 20 years from now for something you do today. That can be really big as you're setting yourself up for retirement and to the future. And meanwhile, you're paying your bills now, which is also great. You don't have to wait weeks to get paid. There's advances for those who qualify, and for those people that are applicably licensed in the states that we offer it. We also offer fire insurance as a way to increase your incomes. Agent compensation, earn commission on every policy sold with up to a 6 month advance. If you qualify, you're paid on quickly, on issue. Primary income driver for year one, of course, and it's directly tied to your production. So the more families you help, the more you get to earn. And then, of course, with renewal commissions, earning ongoing income after the first 12 months. What you're building for in the future is as important or even more important than what you're getting now. But you're paid for policies as they stay on the books. So you're rewarded for doing a good job. Imagine if every company you ever worked for that you went to work for, say 40 hours a week, continue to pay you years after you had settled into a new job somewhere else. That's what we're offering here at Security National Life. Because you might be a big seller now, and you might get to a point in your life where you're just taking care of the policies and not selling as much as what you used to. You can still earn and get paid the renewals as long as you're keeping your license up and your appointment with us. We reward consistency and client retention. Uh, we have bonuses out our ears, it seems at times, but we have um, uh, production-based bonuses rather, which are a semi-annual bonus, and we have monthly contests. So we have also our Founders Month, which is the biggest bonus that we pay every year, and that is for generally crosses over from September to October, and those bonuses can be higher than even the 6 month bonuses. So there are a lot of things that we try to reward those people that are doing a good job with. So it creates additional income beyond just your first year commissions that we mentioned earlier. But maybe you like recognition. What about awards, company trips? The money's nice, but what about some additional pats on the back? Well, we got plenty of that too. These are some of the places that we've gone over the years with Security National. And when we go to these places, the places by themselves alone are reward enough. I mean, I never would have thought that I would have ever been to the Eastern Mediterranean, to the Western Mediterranean, to Monaco or Thailand or some of these other places that I've been with Security National Life. But when we get there, Security National is going to go out of its way to make sure that you understand our commitment to you, our appreciation for the hard work that's got you to that. And so it's always a great time on the company trips. You have real support. You're not out there making promises, which with life insurance, that's all you're doing. If you sell a car, the customer can drive off of the lot with the car they just bought. If you're selling widgets at Walmart or some other local store, they're going to leave the store having obtained what they paid money for. But in life insurance, you're only giving them a promise. And you might have be with or have been with a company in the past that makes you feel like you're out there on your own, making all these promises. You can't call them. You got to get 2 levels up of management to call. It takes forever to find out the answer. They're not paying out their claims like they should. They're not issuing their policies like they should. You name it. But we have real support here at Security National Life, leadership that answers your call. There's a simple onboarding process. We send a link, you answer a few questions. It's about as simple as that. And we have a team in our new business, our premium paying, posting, and customer service teams. So you're independent here, but you're not alone. Excuse me. So straight talk. This is a 1099 position. There's no base salary. It's a high upside for those who execute. In other words, we expect for you to be a high level, high octane producer. Now, if you're not that yet, maybe you're coming from outside of the industry, that's perfectly fine. We have management that are going to help you and guide you to being successful. And if you will listen and you're coachable and you're teachable, you'll get to that point. But we firmly believe that you get to eat what you kill. In other words, leave the cave, kill something, and drag it home, and you get to take advantage of that. And that's the opportunity we have here at Security National Life. You can start over or step into a proven system, like I mentioned before, whether you're experienced or not. It's a great opportunity for you to build your income now and for later. And so there's less competition today, but the market has never been bigger, meaning that there's only some 13 home service companies that operate in the United States in this marketing and distribution system. Some of those are small regional players, whereas we're one of the larger ones. And so there's less people vying for those same customers that we're trying to service, which are the lower middle or lower income market. But there's more need for those people to have adequate insurance coverage to cover their families at the time of loss than there ever has been before. So let's talk. Let's talk about mapping out your road to success here at Security National. How quickly do you want to build? And how quickly can we help you build? And let this be a decision that you make and you look back 20 years from now and say it's definitely been a good one. Thank you for watching.